today we're helping Charles do an HID swap into these projectors. He ordered some other projectors, but they kind of screwed him on the size, so he's got to reorder. But we're gonna see if the HIDs will fix his poor headlight solution.
And we're gonna do JDM Yellow fogs.
Yeah, JDM Yellow fogs while we're at it. So we're just pulling the whole front bumper right now. You know, it's not much different from pulling the Celicas, just different bolts and locations and clips and shit, but we're getting it done.
It's my workhorse.
Yeah.
I make my money to buy parts for Celicas.
Yeah.
Thanks, Nissan.
Yeah, we all own other reliable cars, so our Celicas don't get unneeded miles on them and we can enjoy them properly. So we've got the front bumper off now. Working on the fog lights here. I'm gonna go ahead and undo this side. We ran our test on this side, and I don't know, we might do a quick before and after shot comparison side by side of the two, just so we can see them. But yeah, coming along great so far. I love how bright and yellow they are. We just had to find where to ground them out at. They didn't come with instructions. It took us a minute to kind of figure it out, but we got it done. Yeah, that looks sick. We got old Dimsy over here, and we got that fucking fresh JDM Yellow. It's gonna look sweet when we get them both done.
Fuck yeah, it is.
So we got both of the yellow fog lights in, and now we've come in and we've hooked up all of the ballast, and I've got the light hook put in up here. So now we're just gonna go ahead, mount these ballasts, the ballast and the other little transformer in place, and we'll be good to go. I'm gonna let Charles do the fun part.
Yeah.
I've had my hand stuck in the back here trying to get bulbs back into place and shit. But, you know, that's the price we pay when you have small fingers. And small hands, you get to stick them into places.
Heyo.
Heyo! Yeah, when this channel gets monetized, it's definitely going to have an 18+ warning on it. I say fuck way too much. And I can't stop myself.
I can't get this back in. Give me a clean corner.
Oh. Oh. Man, Gorilla Tape does a great job. That shit's sticky as hell. You can't even get the backing off of it.
Right? Good job.
Good job, Gorilla Tape.
Oh, I think I got a corner. There we go.
Hey.
Alright.
And now we can stick the rest of it back down, too. Shit.
So, I wish that was just a hair longer. Maybe I'll go like that.
Yeah, I was gonna say I'd just drop it down a little bit further right there.
How about that for a location?
Yeah, right. We probably won't get so lucky on the other
this
side.
one I probably won't even have to do anything with.
Yeah, I was gonna say
I could mount it.
I might, just to keep it in place so it doesn't rattle up here. It's the last thing you want. Is some rattle. Alright, well, I am going to go get started on the other side for us. If you ever need to do this on a Nissan Altima, it's pretty straightforward. I did all my learning on the other side, so I'm just going to come over here and film. Let's see. Set you up on a tire here. So you just got to come in, pull that out. Go ahead and come over here with the ballast. And hookup is pretty straightforward. You can't mix these up, they'll only plug in one way. One direction and on one side. And then this big guy into here. And then these two spade terminals will go right into there, red to red, black to black. And then mount it as we did on the other side, and you're good to go. Don't forget to tape that guy off. Nope. There we go.
Cool.
New HIDs, new yellow fogs. Hot damn. It's gonna look nice when the darkness comes.